Ready to roll out?
We're right behind you.
This is the 99.1 Rogue, next-gen audio and comms built for the future of riding. Proprietary Bluetooth mesh communication links up to 16 riders with ultra-low latency over 2.5 miles. Group creation takes seconds. No phone, no app, just instant connection. AI noise control keeps voices clear even at 70 miles per hour.
I hear you loud and clear.
Inside, 40mm tuned drivers deliver rich bass, crisp mids, and sharp detail, so your media stays clear and consistent on every ride. Siri and Google Assistant are always ready, activated entirely by voice. Rogue's aerodynamics have been meticulously crafted to reduce drag. A transparent core reveals the precision inside. Interchangeable wingtips and a programmable LED screen let you define your own style. Controls are deliberate and glove-friendly. Large tactile buttons for precise volume and playback every time. Rogue pushes long-haul performance. 16 hours of power for comms, 30 hours for music. Rated IP67 waterproof, sealed for rain, dust, grit, whatever the road throws at you. Don't follow the path, define it. This is the 99.1 Rogue. Adventure amplified.